Here we're going to tighten some waist beads for weight loss. First, you're going to start by taking some scissors and cutting the string wherever you tied it the first time. You remove the beads. Place the beads above your belly, just right below your breast. Tie it in a knot above your breast, pretty tight, sort of tight enough that it is uncomfortable because you want to encourage weight loss. So as you start to lose weight, the waist beads will drop down. And if you want to lose more weight, you can just repeat the same steps.